Ciao a tutti! Welcome back to Well Fed and Travels. We hope you're all doing well. This is another update on our house renovation here in Sardinia. This time, we've hit a wall. Unfortunately, I mean that literally. During heavy rains and a hurricane, part of our old retaining wall collapsed. The wall was probably over 100 years old, built in the traditional dry stone style and lacking proper drainage. So when the weather arrived, the wall decided it had served enough generations and officially retired. We lost a section that was about 6 feet by 6 feet. This means we had to stop everything else and deal with it immediately. Once the rain stopped, we had to wait for the crew to be available because this happened all over the island. Once they started, things moved very quickly. As you can see, the old stone wall was removed and a new concrete wall was poured in just a few days. After the main wall was set, they came back to finish the sides and connect everything. The dry stone wall that connects to our neighbor's property is also ours. It was not in great shape either, so the crew recommended reinforcing the lower half, building a new wall in front of it to give it support, improve the look, and hopefully keep future us from having another surprise construction project. As you can see, the sides of the wall are now complete and it's one solid structure with proper drainage. This shouldn't be a problem for us again. We still need to finish the dirt work and restore the yard before we can complete the outside of the house. Since summer is almost here, that may be waiting until the fall. You can see this view of the neighbor's wall, how it's bulging. I'm surprised it hasn't already collapsed. Luckily ours is now strong and we'll never have to worry again. With the wall complete, we could return focus to the inside of the house. Let's take a look at the guest room. We completed this area by adding wall sconces and a main light in the center of the room. It took us a while to find these because everything has to be ordered. We're very happy with the way these look and they finish off the room. Next, we finally tackled the office. We found a temporary shelving solution that allowed us to empty the last of our boxes and actually organize the space. This room was a big win for us. We also found a light for the center of the room. We have a desk arriving in the next week or two and a few more things to add, but it finally feels like a room instead of a box museum. Finally, I added some shelves over the bar upstairs. I reused some wood from the basement. I gave it a light sanding and added a clear stain to keep the old look. This completed the bar and freed up some cabinet space. Thanks for watching the latest update. We're slowly getting to the finish line and we're really happy with how everything is coming together. Please give us a like and subscribe and feel free to leave us a comment. We enjoy sharing and we'd like to hear what you think or what you'd like to see. Alla prossima, arrivederci a tutti. Ciao!